On how to get Boomplay VIP subscription cheap in Nigeria. Step 1. Understand your subscription option. Boomplay offers a standard VIP subscription through the app itself. It can be card or wallet payment. But Nigerians also have a cheaper official route through telecom bundles, specifically the Boomplay times MTN partnership, which combines a Boomplay subscription with mobile data on your MTN line. Step 2. Know the actual official prices. For the subscription only plans, no data bundle, MTN official pay lists the monthly subscription at 99 naira, weekly at 399 naira, and daily at 899 naira. If you want data included with your subscription, the combined bundles cost 144 naira monthly and 649 naira weekly, or 1399 naira daily. So the subscription only monthly plan at 99 naira is generally the cheapest confirmed official option in Nigeria right now. Step 3. Activate it through the Boomplay app. Download the Boomplay app from the Play Store or App Store. Log into your account, tap the Boomplay times MTN plan banner inside the app, and enter the campaign page to see the plans. Step 4. Choose your plan and confirm payment. Select daily, weekly, or weekly monthly. Confirm your plan by set the double opt-in and choose either auto renewal or one-off purchase. Payment for this MTN bundle comes out of your end time, not a card. You will get a confirmation message once the subscription is active.